Have you heard the term DevOps Tax? Well, it is a phrase used in engineering discussions by a frustrated developer who is spending too much time on DevOps instead of building features. DevOps Tax is this invisible, unpredictable cost your team pays every single day. Instead of focusing on what really matters, which is the application itself, developers are focused on maintaining the infrastructure. This is the exact problem that Heroku, a platform as a service, is designed to solve. But how does it actually fix this? And is it really worth the price? Let's find out in the next few minutes. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. Today I'll be talking about Heroku and how it makes your DevOps more powerful. And if you don't know what Heroku is, then check out this video where I've covered everything that you need to know. And if you're not able to find it over here, it might be somewhere down in the descriptions as well. Now let's jump right into it. So the first and most expensive part of this DevOps tax we just talked about is the drain on your team's productivity. As a technical leader, you see this pain every day. Your best engineers, who are your most expensive resource, are stuck with managing complex configurations, patching servers, or fighting a DIY platform. That frustration does not just bring down morale, but also increases the budget. A 2025 Forrester study analyzing Heroku's impact found that its users reported a 40% boost in developer productivity. Just think about that. What could your team build if your most talented engineers got 40% of their time back? The goal of a platform like Heroku is to provide an automated, secure system with inbuilt ease of use. This lets your team focus on the architecture of your application instead of the infrastructure operations. That's the kind of model you need to deploy applications in weeks and not months. But speed is useless if you're not stable. And that brings me to our second point, the risk factor. As a technical leader, you're constantly juggling between two major technical risks. First is the risk of success. If your app goes viral and the servers cannot keep up, then the scalability of your app is clearly failing. Second is the risk of security. Suppose you get a call from compliance because a manual error exposed sensitive data. Well, there goes your application in the trash bin of your customers. Scalability failure is lost revenue, and security failure is broken customer trust. This is where a platform's design philosophy becomes very, very critical. Heroku, for example, is designed to help you with both of these risks. Its architecture handles scalability automatically, so you can handle those massive traffic spikes. And for security, it offers Heroku Shield, which is a pre-audited, isolated environment for sensitive data. The idea here that you're outsourcing that infrastructure level risk to the platform. So we've covered the obstacles you face in speed and risk. By removing these, you finally open the door for what matters the most: innovation. Let's talk about how AI in Heroku sparks this innovation. When your entire team is stuck in a maintenance backlog, it blocks them from trying new ideas or innovating new features. This is where Heroku positions its strategic advantage, especially for the Salesforce ecosystem. It's presented as the AI engine, a scalable engine room that can plug directly into your complex data systems. The value proposition is that it's a massive shortcut. It allows your team to focus immediately on the AI logic, not on the months of heavy lifting and infrastructure setup you would normally have to build yourself. This is the model that aims to get you to launching enterprise level Salesforce solutions in days, not months. So let's answer your initial question. Is Heroku really worth the price? Well, it is cheaper and faster because you stop paying the DevOps tax. The next step is to figure out how you can use it. And to help you with that, I'm hosting a live webinar where we will explore the Heroku advantage. We'll go deep on the topics you care about: security, infrastructure, ease of development, and especially scalability. And most importantly, we'll show you how to translate those technical wins into the language your business counterparts understand: cost, speed, and rapid delivery. If you're interested in that conversation, the link to register is down in the descriptions. We hope to see you there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.